Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'll be discussing about these three bands, Miband 4, Miband 5 and Miband 6. I want to compare them. Well, by physical examination I see that Miband 6 has the sharpest display and most colorful display, and of course Miband 5 has a bigger display than Miband 4, but they have the same color quality and same contrast and brightness. But Miband 6 is different. It is much more crispy, much more vibrant. Of course it is AMOLED. So guys, basically we can test out the heart rate sensor of all these three bands and see if these all three they match up, or if one of them is less accurate or more accurate. Well, we have to find that out, because we have this Mi Band 4 which is around 2 years old, then Mi Band 5 which is around 1 year old, and then the Mi Band 6 has just rolled out. So we need to check that whether Mi Band is creating, the Xiaomi company is making accurate heart rate sensing bands. We have to check this. So let's test the heart rate capabilities of these bands and check if they match up or do they have discrepancies. So Mi Band 4 and Mi Band 6, they are displaying the heartbeat, but Mi Band hasn't shown yet. In all three of them are showing almost the same reading. So that means that the heart rate of sensor of all these three bands are almost equally accurate. So that's it guys, this was a quick comparison between the Mi Bands. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content.